Hello everyone. In this video we will do chapter number 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identities, exercise 9.5. Question number 3. Find the following squares using the identities. Now the first part is b minus 7 whole square. In this question we will use the identity a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here the value of a is b and b is 7. Now we will substitute these values in the identity, which is equal to b square minus 2 multiply b multiply 7 plus 7 square, which is equal to b square minus 2 sevens the 14 b plus 7 sevens the 49. Second part is xy plus 3z whole square. In all these questions, we will use the identities to solve. Now this is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here the value of a is xy and b is 3z, which can be written as xy whole square plus 2 multiply xy multiply 3z plus 3z square, which is equal to x square y square 3 2's the 6xyz plus 3 3 is the 9z square. Next is 6x square minus 5y whole square. In this question, this is type of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now, here a is 6x square and b is 5y. Now, substitute the values. This is equal to square of 6x square minus 2 multiply 6x square multiply 5y plus 5y whole square. Now, square of 6 is 36. Square of x square is x raised to power 4 minus 6 2's the 12. 12 5's the 60. 60 x square y plus 5 5 the 25 y square. So, 36 x raised to power 4 minus 60 x square y plus 25 y square is the answer. Next is 2 by 3 m plus 3 by 2 n square. This is a plus b whole square kind. So, we will use the identity a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, here the value of a is 2 by 3m and b is 3 by 2n. Now, substitute the values. 2 by 3m square plus 2 multiply 2 by 3m multiply 3 by 2n plus b square, that is 3 by 2n square. 2 2's the 4, 3 3's the 9 m square plus 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. 3 and 3 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. This is 2mn plus 3 3 is the 9, 2 2 is the 4, n square is the answer. Next is 0.4p minus 0.5q whole square. Here this is the type of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here a is 0.4p and b is 0.5q. Substitute the values. A is 0.4p square minus 2ab, that is 2 multiply 0.4p multiply 0.5q plus 0.5q square. Now do the simplifications. 4 4 the 16, as this is a decimal expansion, so after decimal there will be 2 digits. 0.4 multiplied by 0.4 is 0.16 p square. minus 4 2s the 8, 8 5s the 40. There are two digits after decimal, so it is 0.40, or it can be simply written as 0.4 PQ plus 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 is 0.25 Q square. 0.16 P square minus 0.40 PQ plus 0.25 Q square is the answer. Next is 2xy plus 5y whole square. This is the type of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here a is 2xy and b is 5y. Now substitute the values. This is 2xy whole square plus 2 multiplied by 2xy multiplied by 5y plus 5y whole square. Now 2 2s the 4, x square y square plus 2 2s the 4, 5s the 20, x y multiplied by y is y square plus 5 5s the 25 y square. Question number 4. Simplify. First part is a square minus b square whole square. Here we are to again use the identities to solve these questions. Again, this is the type of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here the value of a is a square and b is b square. Now substitute the values. Square of a square minus 2 multiplied by a square multiplied by b square plus square of b square. A raised to power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to power 4 is the answer. Next part is 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. In this question, simultaneously we will use the two identities, that is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So this is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and one more identity is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here for both the terms the values of a and b is same, 2x and 5. The value of a is 2x and b is 5. So do the simplifications. Now 2x square plus 2 multiply 2x multiply 5 plus 5 square. Now I have simplified the first term minus. In the second bracket it is a minus b whole square. So 2x square minus 2 multiply 2x multiply 5 plus 5 square. Now square of 2x is 4x square plus 2 2s the 4 5s the 20x plus 5 5s the 25. Same simplification will be in the second bracket. There is only change of sign, that is 4x square minus 20x plus 25. Now open the brackets. 4x square plus 20x plus 25 remain same. The sign of this bracket will change as there is a negative sign. So this is minus 4x square minus minus plus 20x minus 25. Now arrange the like terms. 4x square and 4x square are with the opposite signs, so they will cancel each other. 20x plus 20x is equal to 40x plus 25 minus 25, cancel each other. 40x is the required answer. Next part is 7m minus 8n whole square plus 7m plus 8n whole square. In this question again we will use the both identities, that is a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The values of a and b in the both identities is same. A is 7m and b is 8n. Now substitute the values. This is 7m square minus 2 multiply 7m multiply 8n plus 8n square plus 7m square plus 2 multiply 7m multiply 8n plus 8n whole square. Now 7 sevens the 49m square minus 2 7 the 14, 14 8 the 112 m n plus 8 8 the 64 n square. Now plus 49 m square plus 112 mn plus 64 n square. Now arrange the like terms. 49m square plus 49m square 98 m square minus 112 mn plus 112 mn cancel each other. 64n square plus 64n square plus 128n square. So 98m square plus 128n square is the answer. Next part is 4m plus 5n whole square plus 5m plus 4n whole square. In this question we are having only one type, that is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in the first bracket the value of a is 4m and b is 5n. So it is equal to a square, that is 4m square plus 2 multiply 4m multiply 5n plus 5n square. And for the second bracket the value of a is 5m and b is 4n. So this is 5m square plus 2 multiplied by 5m multiplied by 4n plus 4n square. Now do the simplifications. 4 4 the 16m square plus 2 4s the 8, 8 5s the 40. 40 mn plus 5 5s are 25 n square plus 5 5s are 25 m square plus 5 2s the 10 4s the 40 mn plus 4 4 the 16 n square. Now arrange the like terms. 16 m square plus 25 m square 41 m square plus 40 mn plus 40 mn 80 mn plus 25 n square plus 16 n square 41 n square is the required answer. Next part is 2.5p minus 1.5q whole square minus 1.5p minus 2.5q whole square. In this question there is only one kind, that is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here in the first bracket the value of a is 2.5p and b is 1.5q. Substitute the values. This is 2.5p whole square minus 2 multiplied by 2.5p multiplied by 1.5q plus 1.5q whole square minus, here the value of a is 1.5p and b is 2.5q. So this is 1.5p whole square minus 2 multiplied by 1.5p multiplied by 2.5q plus 2.5q whole square. Square of 25 is 625. Here there is a decimal after one digit. When you will multiply 2.5 by 2.5, there will be two digits after the decimal. So this is equal to 6.25 p square minus 25 multiplied by 2 is 50. 50 multiplied by 15 is 750. So this is 7.50 pq plus square of 15 is 225. So this is equal to 2.25 q square. Now same simplifications we will do in the second bracket. Minus 2.25 p square minus 7.50 pq plus 6.25 q square. Now this can be simplified as first bracket remains same, 6.25 p square minus 7.50 pq plus 2.25 q square. The sign of the second bracket will changed as there is a negative sign. So minus 2.25 p square plus 7.50 pq minus 6.25 q square. Now 6.25 p square minus 2.25 p square. This is equal to 4.00 p square, which can be written as 4 p square. Similarly, 7.50 pq is of negative sign and plus 7.50 pq. We will just arrange the like terms. Both the terms are same with the opposite sign, so they will cancel each other. Now here plus 2.25 q square minus 6.25 q square. As the greater number is of negative sign, so this is minus 4 q square. 4 p square minus 4 q square is the required answer. Next is ab plus bc whole square minus 2ab square c. This is a plus b whole square kind, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here the value of a is ab and b is bc. Substitute the values. This is ab whole square plus 2 multiply ab multiply bc plus bc whole square minus 2ab square c remains same. This is equal to a square b square plus 2a b square c plus b square c square minus 2ab square c. Now arrange the like terms. A square b square remains same plus 2ab square c minus 2ab square c. They will cancel each other as they are with the opposite signs. Plus b square c square. A square b square plus b square c square is the required answer. Next part is m square minus n square m whole square plus 2m cube n square. This is the type of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here the value of a is m square and b is n square m. Substitute the values. This is square of m square minus 2 multiply m square multiply n square m plus n square m whole square plus 2m cube n square remains same. Now this is equal to m raised to power 4 minus 2 m square multiplied by m is m cube n square plus square of n square m is n raised to power 4 m square plus 2m cube n square. Now this is equal to m raised to power 4. Now minus 2m cube n square plus 2m cube n square. They will cancel each other. Plus n raised to power 4 m square. m raised to power 4 plus n raised to power 4 m square is the required answer. So students, this is all about exercise 9.5, question number 3 and 4. Thank you.